Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to appeal a suspended account on Twitter. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead to our mobile browser. And once we are here, we can go ahead and type in appeal on Twitter. So if you notice on our screen right now, we can go ahead and click the first link and we will just be waiting for this one to load. And once we are here on this page, we can go ahead and scroll down. And if you notice on our screen right now, we have here how to unsuspend your Twitter account. So we're going to click that. And right after that, we're going to be routed on this page and we're going to scroll down. And if you notice here, there are a lot of information as to what would be the reason why our Twitter account was suspended. So in that manner, we can go ahead and click File and Appeal here. And we will just be waiting for this one to load again. And once we are routed on this page, it gives us an idea to log out on our Twitter account. Once we're done logging out, we can go ahead and log in on the suspended account. Once you are on the suspended account, you can go ahead and fill in the necessary information in order for you to send the appeal on the suspended account. So there you have it. That's how we are going to basically appeal for the suspended account on Twitter. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.